Here's a Whirlpool dishwasher here. This is something different I never did or never filmed before. You'll see what I mean when I open this up. Anyways, let's open it up here. This one's actually electronic controlled this time around. Inside's pretty much clean. This might have been installed recently, but who knows? I may be wrong. Anyway, this is model WDTA50SAKZ0 or KZ0. Oh my goodness. Inside's clean. So here's the controls for it. As you can see, it has electronic controls. So has cycles here as well. It's funny how you can soak and clean for 8 hours. But anyway, this is about it.